Hello guys, big welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be bringing you another Steelbook unboxing. We're going to be checking out the Zavvi exclusive Steelbook of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Right, so let's start off by taking the plastic off. So we check out the J card first. As you can see, this is your 4K Ultra HD version. Also comes with your standard Blu-ray as well. So let's take the J card off. It's just a flimsy paper J card. Let's get that off. So there's your J card. If you want to see it in more detail, just give the video a pause. Now let's check out the Steelbook. Now I picked this up, one, because I actually thought the design was really good. And obviously the other reason is because it was just a classic growing up with. You know, I grew up with this and it was always one of my favourites growing up. So I thought I had to have it in 4K. But yeah, I do like the artwork on this, very colourful. Check out the spine. And check out the back. Again, the colours just go all the way through the Steelbook. Very nice. Just check the Steelbook back to front. It's a shame they didn't have the kind of going through the spine as well, so that all kind of all joint up. Would have been nice, but still really nice Steelbook though. Just check out the inside. This is your 4K disc. It's nice to have a bit of artwork on there. And you've got your Blu-ray disc as well. We've also got some artwork on the inside. See there, you've got the golden ticket and the Wonka bar. So get some decent artwork. Let's quickly put the disc back. So there you go guys, that was my quick unboxing of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to leave a comment, let me know what you think of the Steelbook, what you think of the artwork, then please do. So again guys, thank you for watching.